If due to the configuration of an aircraft, it is impossible for a person to mark an aircraft in accordance with 14 CFR Part 45.21 and 45.23 through 45.33, what must be done? The owner/operator may apply to the FAA for different marking procedures. What are the 5 common forms of corrosion? Fretting, dissimilar metal, intergranular, surface, and steel corrosion. Name at least 3 factors that influence corrosion. The temperature, type of metal, availability of electrolytes and dissimilar metals, condition of protective coating. What are the 2 general conditions that may cause stress corrosion cracking? Sustained tensile stress and a corrosive environment. What is the cause of fretting corrosion? It occurs when 2 mating surfaces, which are normally at rest with respect to each other, are subject to slight relative motion. It is characterized by pitting of the surfaces and the generation of large quantities of fine debris between the surfaces, identified as smoking rivets. What is the principal cause of filiform corrosion? Surfaces that have not had a proper chemical treatment prior to painting. Where is intergranular corrosion most likely to occur? Typically along the grain boundaries of extruded materials. What is exfoliation corrosion? An advanced form of intergranular corrosion. What is another name for dissimilar metal corrosion? Galvanic corrosion. What are the factors which affect the type of corrosion? The form of corrosion varies with atmospheric conditions, size and shape of the metal, the type of metal, and the corrosion-producing agents present. What methods are used for removing rust from aircraft materials? Except on highly stressed steel surfaces like oleostruts, the use of abrasive papers and compounds, small power buffers, and buffing compounds, hand wire brushing, and steel wool are all acceptable methods of removing rust. What is an acceptable method for removing surface corrosion from titanium? Several methods may be used, including a stainless steel brush, aluminum oxide sandpaper, Scotch-Brite, abrasive blasting using glass beads, or hand polishing using aluminum polish and a soft cotton cloth. What specific operations are part of corrosion preventative maintenance? Adequate cleaning, periodic lubrication, detailed inspection, prompt corrosion treatment, touch-up of damaged paint, sealing, use of protective covers, and daily wipe down of exposed critical areas. Name the steps for corrosion removal. Clean and strip the corroded areas. Remove as much corrosion as possible. Neutralize any residual material remaining in pits and crevices. Restore protective surface films and paint. What tools are approved for cleaning corroded anodized surfaces? Fiber bristle brushes, aluminum wool, and aluminum wire brushes. What is used to keep corrosion from forming on aluminum alloy? An oxide coating or aluminum cladding. What can be used to repair the anodized surface of an aluminum alloy part? Allodyne or other chemical conversion coatings. What product should be used to clean an aircraft engine? A fine spray of kerosene or solvent. What should be used to clean grease, fuel, or oil from aircraft rubber tires? Soap and water. Why should only recommended cleaners be used on aircraft fabric and plastic? Their use causes less degradation of the material. Name 5 areas on an aircraft that are more prone to corrosion. Battery compartments, bilge areas, wheel wells and landing gear, flap recesses, lavatory, galley, and other areas where water might be entrapped. What form of corrosion can be found in battery compartments? Direct chemical corrosion. Why are piano-type hinges prime locations for corrosion? Piano hinges use dissimilar metals, steel pins and aluminum hinges, and tend to trap contaminants between the pin and the hinge surfaces. What is used to neutralize a lead-acid battery electrolyte? A solution of baking soda and water. What is the difference between wet wash and dry wash aircraft cleaning? Wet wash cleaning is used to remove oil, grease, carbon deposits, and soil, except for corrosion and oxide films. Dry wash cleaning is used to remove film, dust, and small accumulations of dirt. What are types of light-duty and heavy-duty aircraft cleaning agents? Light-duty cleaning agents are soap and synthetic detergent. Heavy-duty cleaning agents are solvents and emulsion-type cleaners. What would you do before cleaning a windscreen? Wet the surface before cleaning to prevent scratching. What does filiform corrosion look like and where can it be found? Filiform corrosion appears to look like thread or worm-like puffiness in the painted surface. It occurs between the metal surface and protective coating. How is the inside of structural tubing prevented from corroding? Hot linseed oil can be poured into the hole, then the excess is drained. Why should aluminum metal polish not be used on anodized aluminum surfaces? It will remove the oxide coat. Why is the aircraft cleaned before inspection? It enables the mechanic to conduct a more accurate inspection. What geographical location promotes corrosion? Coastal regions.